Investing in ESG, environmental, social, and governance. ESG investing, or environmental, social, and governance investing, has gained significant traction in recent years. It represents an approach to investing where investors consider not only financial returns, but also the impact of their investments on the environment, society, and corporate governance practices. ESG factors are integrated into investment decisions to promote sustainable and ethical practices while aiming to achieve long-term financial performance. What is ESG? Environmental E. This criterion examines how a company performs as a steward of the natural environment. This includes factors such as energy use, waste management, pollution, natural resource conservation, and the treatment of animals. Social S. This criterion looks at how a company manages relationships with employees, suppliers, customers, and the communities where it operates. It includes issues such as labor practices, human rights, workplace diversity, and community impact. Governance, G. This criterion focuses on a company's leadership, executive pay, audits, internal controls, and shareholder rights. It evaluates how a company is governed and ensures that it adheres to high standards of ethics and transparency. Advantages of ESG investing: alignment with personal values. ESG investing allows investors to align their investment choices with their personal values and ethical beliefs. Investors can support companies that prioritize sustainability, social responsibility, and ethical governance. Risk management. Companies that prioritize ESG factors are often better equipped to manage risks related to environmental regulations, social issues, and governance practices. This can lead to more stable and resilient investments. Long-term performance. Studies have shown that companies with strong ESG practices often outperform their peers over the long term. By focusing on sustainability and ethical practices, these companies can achieve better financial performance and growth. Positive impact. ESG investing can drive positive change by supporting companies that are committed to sustainability and social responsibility. This can lead to broader societal and environmental benefits. Regulatory support. There is growing regulatory support for ESG practices, with governments and institutions encouraging sustainable investment practices. This can create a more favorable environment for ESG investments. Disadvantages of ESG investing: limited options. While the availability of ESG investment options is increasing, it may still be limited compared to traditional investment choices. This can make it challenging for investors to find suitable ESG opportunities. Performance variability. Not all ESG investments perform well, and some may underperform compared to traditional investments. Investors need to conduct thorough research and due diligence to identify high-quality ESG opportunities. Data inconsistencies. ESG data and ratings can be inconsistent and lack standardization. Different rating agencies may use varying criteria, leading to discrepancies in ESG scores and making it difficult for investors to make informed decisions. Higher costs. Some ESG funds and investments may have higher management fees and costs compared to traditional funds. This can impact overall returns and should be considered when making investment decisions. Greenwashing risk. There is a risk of greenwashing, where companies exaggerate or falsely claim their ESG credentials. Investors need to be cautious and verify the authenticity of a company's ESG practices. To sum up, ESG investing offers a compelling approach for investors seeking to align their financial goals with their ethical values. It provides opportunities to support sustainable and socially responsible companies while potentially achieving strong long-term financial performance. However, it is essential to be aware of the challenges and conduct thorough research to make informed investment decisions. As the ESG landscape continues to evolve, it holds the promise of driving positive change and contributing to a more sustainable future.